we going hiking today. You carbing up for that long hike? That's right, get all those carbs in, buddy. All right, we need that energy. You gotta carry your own backpack.
You learn as you get older.
What up, squad? It's your boy C's once again, and today is a hiking day with the fam. Got August riding shotgun. Right now, currently, we are going to be hiking up Lake Mary. We are at Brighton Resort in the Wasatch Mountain Range. I'm totally butchering that name, by the way, so don't hold me to that. We're going to take a break from the training and still get that moving going. Hashtag Move More Challenge. So we're gonna go up on this hike and take you guys along with us. It's a beautiful day right now. Yeah, that's right. It's a beautiful day right now and should be a fun ass adventure. Let's get it. Cool parts about hiking is, aside from one being in nature and the mental aspect of it, it's the full body workout you get. Like hiking up, you feel your glutes, your hamstrings, your calves working, and then down, all quads. But peep the melanin. You see the white face? Gotta protect that melanin though, that melanin. How you doing, August? Holding up all right?
It ain't hard to tell.
We are half a mile in and a half a mile away, but the views are just spectacular. And this trooper over here is awesome so far. Love this kid, man. That's what he allows me to get to do these things and share it with him. Just an awesome experience. I love it. We made it to Lake Mary. Look at this, man. This place is freaking awesome. Look at that. Now we're just gonna park here and have a little family picnic and just enjoy the vibe. Great conversation. You know what I mean? Me and wifey got a lot to talk about. And yeah, see you guys on the way down. These are protection, man. All right, so me and my bros are out here at UMC. Yeah, I'm like slow today. We did a couple of laps. Fastest guy right here on the team. Second fastest. I'm actually the slowest. No, it's normal. Anyway, it's normal. It's normal. Yeah, any tips? Any tips, guys? Come on. I need some tips going into the second round.
No brakes.
No brakes. I didn't use it one time.
I didn't use the brakes, but then that corner over
That one
there.
that goes all kind of like the brake.
No
Right at the
brakes.
end.
Yeah, it was tough.
It ain't hard to tell.
best lap time goes to your boy. Holla at me. See me on the track. Look at that best lap time. You heard? See that? That's your boy right there. First and foremost, let's notice these Viper shades that Pit Viper that my big bro gifted me. Second is bragging rights. Last race comes to me, you know, spent all of this evening in the dirt, but you know, clutch time, all right? Clutch. Kobe. One thing that I'm going to preach a lot on this channel is that life is a collection of good experiences, and our goal is to increase the frequency and intensity of those good experiences. So all that, you know, superficial and materialistic things, it really doesn't matter, because you know, just the experiences. You are a collection of experiences, and the more you can produce and recreate those experiences, the better life that you'll have, the more opportunities that you'll have. And you know, that's what life's about, man. So if you're on that journey, holla at me, because I'm going there and I'm taking as much of my homies as possible. All right, peace.